When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. When the sun dips low and the stars ignite, I find my way to you, guided by the night. In the hush of the evening, with the world asleep, you pull me closer, secrets we keep. With every heartbeat, I feel the spark. In this dance of shadows, you light up the dark. Your laughter is a melody that fills the air. In the garden of moments, love blossoms there. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. Every moment with you is a treasure to hold. In the stories we weave, our love unfolds. Through laughter and tears, we're dancing through life. In the chaos and calm, you're my heart's delight. With every sunrise, a new chapter starts, painting our canvas with the colors of our hearts. In the quiet whispers, in the softest sighs, I find my forever in the depths of your eyes. So take my hand, let's lose track of time. In the rhythm of our hearts, everything feels sublime. With every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In the timeless embrace, love bondlessly calls. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. And when the night falls and the world fades away, we'll write our own story, let the moment sway. With every heartbeat, our love will ignite. In the soft glow of twilight, you make everything right. Through the laughter and silence, through every embrace, I see my reflection in your loving face. In the dance of forever, we're lost in the night. In the warmth of your love, everything feels right. In your eyes, I see the stars align. The universe of dreams, forever you'll be mine. Through every whispered promise, we'll break down the walls. In this timeless embrace, love endlessly calls. In your eyes, I find my way home. With you by my side, I'll never be alone. In this beautiful journey, we'll write our own song. In your eyes, my love is where I belong. So here's to the moments, to the love that we share. In the tapestry of life, I'll always find you there. With every breath, with every sigh. In your eyes, my darling, is where our love lies. In your eyes, my love, forever will be. In the story of us, you're my everything.
When the stars light up your eyes, I see the universe deep in your smile. Every shadow fades and time stands still. In this moment it's just you and me, wrapped in a dream where the world is free. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined, lost in the magic of souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Through the fields of wildflowers we roam. With every gentle breeze I feel at home. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain. With you, my darling, I'll never feel pain. We'll write our story in the softest embrace. Every touch ignites a spark of warm trace. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined. Lost in the magic, our souls combine. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. Through the fields of wildflowers we roam. With every gentle breeze I feel at home. Your laughter echoes like a sweet refrain. With you, my darling, I'll never feel pain. We'll write our story in the softest embrace. Every touch ignites a spark of warm trace. Time can't measure the depth of our dreams. In this love so pure, nothing's as it seems. With each passing moment, I believe it's true. A love like ours will always renew. Through stormy nights and sunny days, together we'll wander, forever ablaze. As the dawn kisses the night goodbye, I'll treasure your warmth, never asking why. In the tapestry of life, you're my favorite thread. With you, every challenge feels easier to tread. Let's build a future hand in hand in this beautiful journey. Together we'll stand. Whispers in the moonlight, hearts intertwined. Lost in the magic, our souls combined. Every beat of my heart sings your name. In this dance of love, we're forever the same. So hold me close, let the world fade away. In your arms is where I long to stay. So here's my promise, my heart in your care. In this life and the next, I'll always be there. With whispers in the moonlight, let love be our guide. Forever and always, with you by my side. In this timeless romance, our spirits will soar. With every sweet whisper, I'll love you more.
I'll never let go. In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice. In the echoes of a whispered choice, the world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of forgotten song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken names. We'll rise anew. We'll rise anew, unbroken, oh. With every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night, our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. And when the road seems endless, and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless. we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. We'll chase to the journeys, the paths yet to find. With every heartbeat, we're leaving fear behind. In the embrace of the stars, where our spirits can roam, we'll chase these horizons, together we're home. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll silently free. Oh, we're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll finally free. And when the road seems endless and the night feels long, we'll find the strength within us, we'll keep holding on. In the silence, hear the thunder, feel the fire ignite. Together we are fearless, we'll rise up and fight. For every moment lost, there's a moment to gain. In the heart of the struggle, we'll dance in the rain. We're chasing horizons, where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll
in the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, with threads of courage woven through the night. We'll leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts, the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the sky, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the depths of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In this symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts, the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn. With every breath, we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the sky, side by side. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates. But we'll shatter the limits, we'll rewrite the rules. With the heart of a lion, we'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbowed. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. tonight. We'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold. In this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide.